Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to commit all the changes that we have made so far related to Open API. So what I have done is I have created a branch on top of Spring ATS and named it as 05 Open API Swagger. And all the changes that were unstaged, I added to the staging environment, that is staging area. And then um, I committed it to my local branch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to push those changes to my remote branch here. So it's going to create a remote branch. I click on preview and then click on finish. So the branch is now, all the changes are now pushed to the remote. So let's verify that by going to the GitHub repository here. So if you look at this, I currently can see that we have 05 Open API Swagger. Right, let me refresh this one more time. You can see that as updated. Okay, that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next session.